Located in the quiet town of Cumberland, this lovely ranch offers a spacious floor plan with a great flow that can accommodate any living situation. Step through and into the great room where a brick fireplace stretches up to the vaulted ceiling. Gather with family and friends around the warm hearth or dine together in the adjoining dining area. The spacious kitchen provides stainless steel appliances and breakfast bar seating, fantastic for open entertaining. The kitchen opens directly into the warm family room where oversized windows brighten every occasion. Walk out onto the covered wood deck overlooking the private yard with a large cabana featuring a full bath and patio area. Back inside is the master suite boasting an ensuite bath with a glass door shower. Completing the main level is a full bath with a dual sink vanity, a bedroom, and home office that can be converted into a third bedroom. The finished lower level supplies plenty of living space along with a wet bar and a half bath. This fabulous home is set close to the shops along Mendon Road. Cumberland High School, along with Cumberland Hill Elementary, are minutes away. Enjoy local parks like Diamond Hill Park and the nearby golf courses like Kirkbrae Country Club. Cumberland is full of farms providing the abundance of local produce like Phantom Farms and Diamond Hill Vineyards. Quick highway access allows you to commute to the arts and culture of downtown Providence in only 20 minutes. For more information, please visit the property website or call Ryan Antrop at area code 401-480-4564.